Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kaniswa. So today I was doing my makeup before I went out and went shopping today, and I looked at all of these. Now these are my makeup brushes. This is the cup in which I keep them in, and I keep them here in my bathroom, obviously. And I just looked at them and I'm just like, ooh, honey, it's time. These things gotta get cleaned. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't clean my makeup brushes like I'm supposed to. And I know it's a lot of girls out there that don't clean their makeup brushes like they supposed to, okay? But to me, I just, yeah. So today I said that I was definitely going to show you guys my makeup brush cleaning routine or whatever. So guys, yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so the first thing that I do when I get ready to clean my makeup brushes, I allow my makeup brushes to soak in a detergent vinegar bath, is what I like to call it. So this is my kettle from my kitchen, okay? So this kettle is obviously it's put on the stove, so the water is nice and hot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour hot water into my Pyrex container. So that is, in this Pyrex container, that looks like about almost 12 ounces. So we're gonna go all the way up to 12. So that's about 12 ounces of warm or hot water. Okay. Now, I normally eyeball, I don't measure stuff off, but this is my detergent of choice, Ajax. This is a super degreaser. Now, you want something that is a degreaser because you want it to cut, like I stated, the oils on the brushes. So you want something that's gonna cut them oils. Now, normally I would have used Dawn, because Dawn, she cut and grease all day. But we're gonna use Ajax today. So this is mine of choice. Like I say, I don't measure nothing off. So we're gonna put that in there. Let it do what it do. And then we're gonna take some white distilled vinegar, 5% acidity. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna use this white distilled vinegar. Y'all can get any kind of white distilled vinegar. No, we're not gonna use Bragg's today, guys, unfortunately. No, we're not gonna use Bragg's. Okay. So with this, like I say, I normally don't measure, so I'm just gonna do 3 caps of this. Now, vinegar, by it being very acidic, it will kill whatever bacteria and germs on the brushes along with the hot water. So I'm gonna do 3 caps. Alright guys, so that's 3 caps of white distilled vinegar. So now I'm going to take all of my brushes, all of them, even this one here. This is not the toothbrush that I brush my teeth with, guys. I don't brush my teeth with this, okay? This is honestly is the brush that I do my baby hairs with when I can do them, okay? Okay, so I'm going to take all of my brushes and drop them in here. Now, I know some of y'all might be thinking, Kaniswa, in the brushes, in the handle of the brush, like up in here, Kaniswa, in that area, that's glue that holds the bristles. Yeah, I know. But me, I'm be honest guys, I didn't pay a whole lot of money for my brushes. So if they do let go, I'll either take it, put some E6000 and glue it back up in there, or option 2, just get rid of the brush. I didn't pay a whole lot of money for these brushes, but I want them clean. I don't care about the brush being, you know, oh, it's gonna break, oh, it's gonna whatever. Just buy another one. Like I say, I didn't pay a whole lot of money for these brushes, but I want them clean before they go back on my face. And as you guys can see, looking here, the vinegar and the Ajax together, which is, like I say, a degreaser, it's like really, it's pulling all of that makeup out of the brush. Pulling it out, sucking it out. Now, I'm going to leave these brushes, honest to God, guys, I'm going to let these brushes sit for about 20 to 30 minutes because I want all of this gunk out of my brushes. And this water, guys, honestly, it's not hot. It's not scalding hot. It's kind of warm because I hold my, my hand, on the side of this glass. So yes, I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna clean my brushes even more. So we're doing a deep clean today. All right, so we got a 20 to 30 minute wait. Be back. Okay, guys, so now it's time to take these brushes, out of the chocolate milk. Not just joking, guys, but this is time to take the brushes out of the detergent vinegar bath. The water is not nowhere near as warm as it was. It's like literally not even warm at all, period. But yeah, so it's time to take them out and move on to step 2 of cleaning. Now that the water has been completely poured out and I've cleaned the Pyrex glass, so I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay, now I gotta roll up these sleeves because we're gonna get down with it. So now, this is something that I purchased from one of my favorite department stores that I love to shop at, Kohl's. Okay, this has a lot of like very, very bumpy, rough, like edges, well not edges, but just like bumpy, it's texture. Okay, so this helps to scrub the makeup brushes, scrub them, because we're going to scrub them a little bit more to get more of the makeup out of the brushes. Okay, so I'm going to turn here, as you can hear, I got my water on. And I'm going to put the water on kind of like warm water. Put on warm water, and I am going to let the water warm up. But I'm putting on warm water, and then I'm going to wet this down, wet, and I'm going to go back in with my Ajax. I'm going to put that on there like that. But also what I am going to do, just to serve as like a conditioner, let me take this off, to kind of serve as a conditioner for my brushes, I'm going to take coconut oil. Okay, as we all know, coconut oil is antifungal, antimicrobial, I think that's it. But yes, I'm gonna take a little coconut oil, just a little bit. Like I said, guys, I don't really measure stuff off, so I'm gonna pour a little bit in the cap, like that. Pour a little bit in the cap, and then I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna put it in, there like that. Okay, using the coconut oil, it kind of moisturizes the brushes a little bit and makes them softer. Okay, so I keep my water running, and I'm gonna take one of the brushes, which is this one. This is like this is my Real Techniques brush. It's by Real Techniques. It's called Expert. It's an Expert face brush. And I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna like zhuzh it around on the pad. I'm gonna show you guys what it kind of looks like. Let me get this out of pressure so much. So it's like this. I'm just gonna brush and brush and brush. I'm trying to hold this over the sink, guys. And I'm just gonna like massage and scrub the brush. So what this does, just as you guys can see, it's just kind of like it's pulling up more gunk out of this brush. More gunk than what the, what is it, the detergent and vinegar bath did. I'm just gonna brush, and I'm gonna do this for all of my brushes. And then if I need more detergent, I just put a little bit more detergent. So now I done went in with that, and I'm just going back in with more of this detergent. Scrubbing, just getting all of the gunk. So as you can see, guys, it has lightened up a lot. So that's basically all of the makeup and stuff just coming out of the brush, getting all of this foolishness out. So we just scrub and scrub and scrub. And then I'm going to go back in with that same brush. Put a little bit more of the Ajax on there. And we're going to scrub a little bit more. And we're just going to scrub until the suds are white. Till they look like that. See, it's white. And now what I'm doing, I'm just rinsing out my brush with the water. And remember, use warm water, guys. And then I'm gonna take, this is one of my, I'm pretty sure you guys seen this cloth in my video. This is my makeup rag. Now this is what my makeup rags look when they are clean. Okay, as we all know, foundation stains a lot of stuff. Foundations can stain things that are white and light in color. So this is what my makeup rag looks like when they are clean. So I wash this one in some Gain and Clorox. So now that the brush is done, I'm just gonna take it on a clean cloth. Just gonna try it out like that. Really boom. Kind of like trying it out. I'm like, send me the area that's a little lighter, like over here in this corner. And boom, this makeup brush has been clean, ladies and gentlemen. It has been clean and it's soft. The coconut oil does help soften it up, and if you don't have coconut oil, you can definitely use olive oil. Y'all know I love me some olive oil. But you can definitely use this olive oil and coconut oil to help soften these brushes. But I like to use coconut oil because, like I stated, it's antifungal, antimicrobial, so which is good. And yes, this brush, it's not even all the way dry, but it feels like it's dry, while at the same time the bristles are so soft. And it is clean and it is ready for me to go and put some more makeup on with it. So I'm gonna finish doing all of my makeup brushes. I got a few as you guys seem to do, but guys, this is how I clean my makeup brushes. And like I stated, this brush is not all the way dry, but it's almost there. Like, this brush feels so good. Y'all ever notice how like makeup brushes feel when you first get them in the store? They be nice and soft and just feel good, and you just sit and kind of play with your hands and maybe do it in your face when you're in the store. That's how this makeup brush feels. That it feels like when I first bought it. So I like the way this feels on my hands, so I know it's gonna feel even better on my face. So yes, this brush is clean. So guys, let me go ahead, let me finish cleaning the rest of these brushes, okay? And I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am done cleaning all of these makeup brushes that I have. Drying my hands off, put my ring back on. But yes, I'm done with them. And guys, this is what they look like. Okay, so this is what I do with all of my makeup brushes. I get one of my makeup towels, a clean one that has been washed in Clorox bleach, and I line each and every one of them up, standing up like this, on my bathroom sink, around the bathroom sink, and I Allow them to sit like this until they are all completely dry. So yes, I line them all up like this and make sure they're not touching one another. Okay guys, so here are my 3 reasons why we need to clean our filthy makeup brushes. Number 1, which is the top main one for me. Makeup brushes carry, hold, and have bacteria. Over a period of time of constantly using a makeup brush, it can carry bacteria. It can carry dead skin cells and oils and trap it all inside of these little bristles. You know what I'm saying? So imagine if all of that's on this brush and you're just steady powdering your face down, steady hitting the face, and you thinking you looking good, but really and truly you got bacteria on your face. Nah, that ain't hot, okay? All of that stuff, bad bacteria, dead skin cells, oils, that clogs up the pores, that causes breakouts. So if anybody out there suffering from acne and you are wearing makeup, please clean these brushes on the regular. Even I gotta do it. I gotta be more consistent with it, I will be honest. My second reason why you need to keep these brushes clean, it keeps the bristles nice and soft. Who wouldn't want a soft bristle going on their face? Like, honestly, you don't want nothing tough and hard and on your face, because that can irritate the skin. So you don't want an irritated face. You want a calm face, not an irritated one. Okay? My third reason why we need to keep these brushes clean, it makes the brush last longer. So for all my girls out there who buy a brush like this, a powder brush, and you spending $30, $50 or more on a brush or a set of brushes, let's keep it real. You want to get your money's worth, right? So keep the brush clean because it makes the brush last longer. So those are my top 3 reasons why it is important and we all have to keep our makeup brushes clean. Alright guys, so I am officially done cleaning all of my makeup brushes, guys. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video. Share it with your friends and family members who all wear makeup and you know that they use makeup brushes, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Did you try the detergent and vinegar bath? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section below. Peace.